Somani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be doing some practices for shoulder opening and shoulder strengthening. If your shoulders are tight and stiff, it can cause you stiffness and pain in your neck, your back and your upper body, and also limit your daily activities. So the tight shoulders and the stiffness in the shoulders can be because of stress, tension or overuse. Another good reason to practice the shoulder opening practices and shoulder strengthening practices is it will make your arm balancing, your inversions and your planks more easier. So that means the strong shoulders will also help you to build strong core. So we will do some practices today. You can use some yoga blocks, the wall, the chair to make your practice more deeper and more better. So let's do it together. Okay, so let's start our practice for today. So sit up straight and tall, shoulders are relaxed, neck is relaxed, spine is lifted up. So first we try to bring our mind and awareness onto our breathing. Try to settle down and relax before we start our practices. So just gently close your eyes and you bring your mind and your awareness onto your breathing. You inhale and exhale. Once again, take a deep breath in and you breathe out. Slowly from here, gently bring both your palms together and you rub your palms. And from here, put your palms onto your eyes. Feel the warmth, feel the energy, and slowly bring your hands down and open your eyes with a smile. So first we will start our practice by going into the child pose. So how to do the child pose? You can open your knees little bit apart, both the feet together, and first we will go in the center. Inhale, you lift your hands up. Exhale, you go down, extending your arms in front of you, stretching your spine. Just relax your forehead here. If you want, you can use the yoga blocks or the cushions where you can relax your forehead down. Stay here in this posture. Take nice long deep breaths in and out and observe the changes. Now from here, gently move your both the hands to the right side, bringing your left hand to your right palm, bringing your forehead down, feeling a nice good stretch on the sides of your left there. Stay there again, keep breathing, feeling the stretch and opening on your left side. Stay there, breathe in and breathe out. And from here, gently, you come back in the center and move to the left side this time. Bringing your right hand onto your left palm and try to stretch your hand as much as you can, bringing your forehead to the floor. This time, feel a nice, good lengthening and stretch on the right side of your body. And you stay there. Breathe. From here, gently come back in the center and slowly come up. Relax both your knees and relax yourself. Now the next practice we will be doing is lift your right hand up, lengthen up from the right side. And now gently bring your right hand behind your back. Your right elbow is pointing the ceiling. Now from here, you lift your left hand up and hold your right elbow with your left hand. And gently try to pull your right hand behind your head. So see if you can bring your elbow behind your head, lifting your spine up, feeling a nice good stretch in your arms and your shoulders. Stay there and breathe. Hold your practice somewhere between 5 to 10 seconds. That's the minimum time. You can take it to 30 seconds also with the regular practice. Stay there and breathe. Keep pulling your hand closer towards the opposite side and stay there, feeling a nice good stretch and lengthening on the right side. From here, gently bring your right hand down and your left hand down. The same practice we will be doing on the left side. So from here, inhale, you lift your left hand up, put your left hand onto your back and your left elbow is pointing the ceiling closer to your ear. Now hold your left elbow with your right hand and pull your left hand behind your head. So you feel the good nice stretch on the left side this time. Keep pulling your elbow towards the right side. Lengthen your spine and stay there. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Gently bring your hands down. Close your eyes, relax and observe all the changes. It's very important to relax after each practice. Observe the changes. Relax yourself completely before you start your next practice. Now, from here we will move on to the third practice for shoulder opening. So for that, hold your opposite elbows. Bring your hands in front of your chest and hold your opposite elbows. So from here, you gently inhale and you lift your hand up and try to push your shoulders back as much as you can. Lengthening your spine, looking in the front, keeping your neck neutral. Hold your stretch and breathe. It's a nice good stimulation on your shoulders and your arms. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And gently bring your hands down and relax yourself. Okay, so the next practice we will be doing is with the support of the 2 yoga blocks. So for that, you come onto your knees and you move a little bit behind. So your knees and your hips are in the same line. Now you just bring both your elbows on the block. Push your elbows on the block. Join your palms together and you extend your spine by lifting your hips high and you keep pushing your chest towards the floor and bring your forehead down, feeling a nice good opening and stretch in your shoulders. Push your elbows down and you hold your stretch. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3. Keep pushing your chest down. 4 and Gently from here, release your hands and you just relax your shoulders by doing some shoulder rotation. Just relax your shoulders and your arms. Gentle shoulder rotation. And relax. Okay, so something similar to like this is extended puppy pose. So we will try to do that also. But that can be done without the blocks as well. So for that, same, you have to come on to your knees. Keep your hip and knee in the same line. From here, you try to extend your hands in front of your mat and you keep pushing your forehead and your chin down and your chest also pressing into the mat, lifting your hips high and keeping your knee and the hip in the same line. So keep pushing yourself towards the mat, feeling your arms, your elbows and your shoulders. Stay there, breathe. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently from here, come up and relax. It's a lot on your shoulders. You will feel a nice, good stimulation and strengthening of your shoulders. Another very good practice for your shoulder stretch is you sit in Vajrasana and you bring your hands behind you, interlock your hands, have a nice good grip of your hands. This practice can also be done standing up or sitting in the Sukhasana. So slowly from here you keep your arms straight, elbows are stretching, keep lifting up your hands as much as you can. Now from here looking in front, exhale and you bring your chest down, forehead down and lifting your hands up like a bunny ear. Hold your stretch here. Keep breathing, keep working on your arms. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Gently inhale and release your arms. Relax your shoulders. Another shoulder opening posture is called as thread in the needle. So for that, you come onto your knees. Put both your palms in front of you where your elbow and your shoulder is in the same line. Now from here, gently you inhale and you lift your right hand up. Look towards your right hand and then you exhale. Bring your right hand outside of your left hand. And from here, release your left elbow down. Release your head down to the side. And you stretch your left hand also in the front. And right hand is going out of your left. Stay there. Lifting your hips high. Lengthening your spine. And breathe, everyone. From here, gently inhale and you come up. And we do same on the other side now. So this time, palms onto the mat and you lift your left hand up. Extend it, look up, exhale, bring your left hand outside of your right arm. Now the right hand is also on the floor and you bring your head onto the floor, lifting your hips high And you finally extend your right hand also in the front. Head is relaxed. Left hand is crossing outside of your right. Thread in the needle. Feel a nice, good, gentle stretch on your shoulders. Stay there. Keep extending. No pressure onto your head. Breathe in and you breathe out. Those who have knee issues, they can always slide a cushion or the knee pad under the knees. Breathe and gently from here, you inhale and you come up. Just relax. Another practice to open your shoulders. This one is a little bit intense. So if you have some shoulder injuries, you can avoid doing this practice or do it slowly with lot of care. So for that, we need to lie down onto the belly, both your feet together and open your hands at the shoulder level. Now from here, gently inhale and you lift your right leg up. Bending your right knee, bring your right feet all the way towards the left side. So feet is onto the mat, knee is facing the ceiling. You can just slide a block under your head. And then from here, you take your right hand behind. Again, as much as you can. Don't force yourself. Try to bring your right hand down as much as you can. Stay there. Breathe. A nice deep stretch on your left shoulder. Stay there for somewhere between 10 to 30 seconds. Breathe. 1, 2, 3. Open your shoulders. Feel the stretch. 4. And gently come back. So bring your leg back and release your hand down. Now we do the same from the other side. So for that, once again, open your hands at the shoulder level, both the feet together. This time, lift your left leg up and bend your left knee and gently bring your left feet towards the right side and feet is onto the floor, knee is pointing the ceiling. You can slide a block under your head and you gently take your left hand behind as much as you can. Again, don't force yourself. If you can, you try to interlock your hands. Stay there. Breathe in and you breathe out. Again, don't over stretch yourself. Do as much as you can. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release and relax. So relax your shoulders, relax your back and observe the changes. Come up and relax. Now the next practices we will do is on the wall. So with the wall support, we will do some shoulder opening practices. So for that, you put both your palms onto the wall, spread your palms and keep both your hands shoulder distance apart. And keeping your arms straight, elbow straight, gently you shift your feet behind and from here shift your hips back and you try to push your head down, lengthening your spine and you just stay here. Breathe in and you breathe out. Do as much as your body allows you to do. Stay here for somewhat 10 seconds to 30 seconds. Hold your posture, breathe. Feel a nice good stretch and lengthening of your spine, your arms and also your legs. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly from here, just release your posture. Now the same posture you can also do with the chair support. So we will take a chair here and same, put your hands onto your chair, shift your legs back. Both the hands are open, shoulder distance apart, shifting your hips back and lengthening your spine. Go further down, gaze down, neck is neutral. Stay there, keep pushing your chest down. Feel your arms and feel your shoulders. Again, hold your stretch. 1, 2, 3. Keep breathing. Keep pushing your chest down. 4, 5. Keep your arms straight, elbows straight. Hold. And slowly from here, inhale and release. And relax your arms, relax your shoulders. Another practice with the wall support we will be doing is with each arm. So first we start with the left hand. So put your left palm onto the wall and keeping your arms straight in the same line, your wrist, your elbow and your shoulder, keeping your arms straight. You stay here first and then from there gently you shift your body towards the center. Okay, both the shoulders facing towards the center. Now you gently take your right hand behind your back and you stay there, extending your arms, your shoulders, lifting your spine up and having a nice good grip of your feet and your palm on the wall. Stay there. Keep moving if you can. Breathe in and you breathe out. Feel a nice opening of your shoulder here. Rotation of your arm. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Gently release your posture and relax. Now we will do the same practice on the other side. So this time you just put your right palm onto the wall. Again, keep the arm straight, elbow straight and both the feet are hip distance apart. Spread your palm on the wall. Now from here gently you just move your body towards the center. Okay. Now this left hand goes behind your back and you try to keep twisting. Feel the stretch on your right arm and the shoulder. Keep shifting your chest. Stay there and feel your arms. Feel your shoulders. Breathe there. Again, don't overdo. Do as much as you are comfortable. Breathe in and you breathe out. Neck is relaxed. Back is relaxed. With a gentle twisting. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Release your hand and relax. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed all the shoulder opening and shoulder strengthening practices. Now it's the time to relax. So just close your eyes, just relax your arms and the shoulders. And once again, take a deep breath in and out. Relax completely, letting go of any discomfort, any pain, and completely relax yourself. Slowly open your eyes with the a lovely smile on the face. Thank you so much for practicing. So for such more videos, you can just subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. Hope you enjoyed today's practice. Thank you so much.